Myself, Guru Brahmam, Assistant Professor, Department of Mining, Amit University, Chennai. Today we are discussing about load, haul, dump in mine machinery subject. Introduction about LHD. In introduction, LHD mainly using for the loading purpose in underground mines. In most of the mines, 70% LHDs using in underground mines. LHDs are mainly available in two types. LHDs having mainly two types. First one is diesel type of LHDs. Second one is electrical type of LHDs. In diesel type of LHDs, we are using in underground mines portable way, means diesel type of LHDs transferring one place to another place in large distances in one level to another level also. But in electrical LHDs, it is required electrical power by using gate and box in underground mines by supply of electrical power. And diesel LHDs having the motor capacities of 75 HP to 150 HP horsepower motors required for the diesel type of LHDs. Specifications of LHD: bucket range 5 cubic meter to 6.2 cubic meters capacity, and height of LHDs having 2 meter and width of LHDs having 2.4 meter ranges, and length of LHDs 9 meter range, and also tractive force 248 kilonewtons, breakout force 192 kilonewton required. Engines using for some water cooled 209 kilowatts, and axles required Clerk 43 RM, and tires it will be having PCI 18 to 25. These are the main specifications of and components of LHD. Look into this figure. LHD having so many types of important parts, basically having different types of parts. First one is headlight, second one is cabin, bucket, back reel, back bucket, and hydraulic pumps, and park brake, air tank, trunk cage, cable reels, and parking brake, gearbox, and drive lines, and bearing block, orbitals, and hydraulic motors, cables and couplings, electrical motors, hydraulic pumps, and different types of parts it's having in the front side and back side in the mid body of LHD. And in these parts, mostly drive system plays an important key role in the LHD, and hydraulic pumps and motor powers required to run and move the LHD in mines. LHD having different types of components. Basically, it's divided into two types. First one is internal components, second one is an external components. Internal components basically having the standard of LHD diesel engine and horsepower range of 78 to 145 HP. Smaller LHDs fitted in the electrical motors. Engine of LHD cooled either by the water or air. Locating the switches along with the emergency and parking brakes and hydraulic fluids with resistance, we are control the fires happens in the inside of LHD. Then after other internal parts of LHD including diesel adjusting treatment. It is basically helpful for the inside fumes control and adjusting gas releases. Like CO is most poisonous gas, it will be controlled and by the diesel adjusting treatment. And ventilation system also included in the LHD. If there is any occurrence of fumes in LHDs, that time helpful for the ventilation system in the LHD. Inside a confined space required for the inserting the ventilation system in the LHD. LHD look into the basically having front side steering cylinders and bucket tail cylinders, and back side it's having diesel tank and diesel engine and hydraulic pumps and hydraulic oil tanks also in the back side portion of the LHD. The main external components of LHD having bucket. First bucket. Bucket is most important part in the LHD. It is useful for the loading, unloading of dump truck, and LHD having the capacity of bucket 5 cubic meter to 9 cubic meter ranges. In mini LHDs having the range of 3 cubic meter also. LHD having range of 9 to 10 cubic meter range, and play load of LHD 1.5 tons to 17 tons. Tires basically smooth and may be fitted into chains. Chains helpful for the wear and tear of tires and reliability of tire, and useful for it. Loading and dumping. Loading supporting the different types of supporting booms and cylinders and hydraulic pumps in the LHD. Dumping time, hydraulic cylinders helpful for the hauling of material in the dump trucks. LHD having so many safety provisions. Basically the first provision of LHD, emergency and parking brakes will be available in LHD. These two emergency brake system or switches helpful for the fire resistance in hydraulic fluid. Sometimes it will be fire, that time it will be helpful for the control and stop the vehicle in the emergency situations. Headlights is helpful for the vision of underground in dark places, in loading places, in unloading places, and so many dark places helpful for the headlights in the LHD in front and back side, and audible warning signals. Sometimes undisturbances happen side some LHDs and vehicles came, that time audible alarm signaling the vehicle and operator will be alerted in that situation. Backup alarm. LHD is sometimes going back, it will be alarm continuously alerted the driver and backside persons to avoid the accidents by the LHD. Portable fire extinguisher is provided. Portable fire extinguisher. This is helpful for the some situations underground happen fires in near to the LHD or in LHD, that time portable fire extinguisher to control the fires in the LHD. and save the driver or operator's life. Special cabin, LHD designed to special cabins, it's having the capacity of 100 tons or 150 tons capacity of carrying canopy. It is helpful sometimes row falls occurs in loading time, in unloading time, that time it will be supporting and control the falling of rope directly into the operator and safety provided by the operator in the cabin. And next, also providing safety devices provided, switch off the engine, that time if the temperature of vehicle, temperature of oils increases, that time inside having hydraulic oil temperature 65 below temperature, it is helpful for the controlling of heating of engines inside the LHD. Most important safety provision, electrical shock safety devices. These are helpful for the direct current we are sending to the LHD, that controlling the gate and box by the providing earth conductivity protection using different types of electrical cables like isolation power, then the earth connectivity is broken. Sometimes electrical fires occur in LHD, that time we are earthing the vehicle, directly current will be flows in grounds, save the operator life and near to the labors also. Main part of LHD is mechanism of LHD. The mechanism of LHD is, it is driven by the synchronous motor feed and power from the gate and box suitable placed in the flexible cable of 100 meters in length. That cable supporting to and connected to the gate and box, and current will be supplied from the gate and box to the vehicle to run the electrical motor in the LHD. If it is also controlled by the remote control, most probably modern LHDs having the electrical and remote control type. The speed of LHD is controlled by the mechanical braking system by the operator to control the vehicle in high speed conditions to alert the driver and operator to control the speed. It is driven by the synchronizing motor feed of gate and box suitable 100 meters cable length, and speed of vehicle controlled by the mechanically. The main drive systems having the LHD drive unit. In this drive unit having internal motors, electrical motors, and so many transmissions in the second portion, and hydraulic systems and hydraulic pipelines, hydraulic oil pipelines helpful for the transmission connection, and next that hydraulic transmitters to transmit the power to the tires. Then after the tires controlled by the brake and other system. Finally connection of bucket. The cyclic of drive system to transmitter, transmitter to hydraulic systems and tires and brakes and bucket. Drive unit main part of the LHD between the middle of LHD to control and transmit the energy by the hydraulic motors and hydraulic pumps, transmission of energy power to the bucket, loading and transportation of LHD. Basically LHD is moving by the operating of hydraulic pumps and hydraulic motors. These two are helpful for the movement of bucket and vehicle steering. In loading time, basically having some cyclic procedure in the presentation. First, vehicle standing in the outside, that vehicle travel to the muck file phase in the first stage, then it will be taking some muck in the second stage, and third stage it will be taking back from the muck and come back to the original position. Then in the fourth stage it will be going to in front of dumper truck, and then fifth stage it will be dump to the material in the dump truck, and in sixth stage it will be come back in the original position. It's having total 6 stages in one loading and unloading cycle. And also LHD hauling positions we are presented here. Machine unloading material figure we are included in this, and machine transporting material included in this figure. In for example, in board and pillar method, by using LHD, what are the applicability conditions? The main applicability conditions, it will be seam thickness is more than 1.8 meters. That time only LHD is useful for the transporting and loading and unloading the material. Average gradient up to 1.1 in 7 and suitable for weak flows and compared to side discharge load. Maximum speed of LHD 8 to 12 kilometers per hour. LHD is mostly suitable for the sometimes long distance travels also. The basically cyclic time in, for example, taking one of the mine, we are observed different types of details in cyclic time. The cyclic time of LHD, one of the model of LHD is 811 model. In this LHD, available time for shift LHD is 6 hours nearly. Time taken for one trip for LHD, it's near to 6 minutes. Number of shifts for one shift, it will be taking 65, and output for shift for LHD 72 tons, and OMS output for man for shift 3.3 tons, output for one drill 60 tons. These are the cyclic time details we are observed in Kothagudem mines by observing details of LHD. LHD having so many advantages. In that, first, availability of spare parts. It is very useful thing to reduce the breakdown hours in mines. It is helpful for continue the operation and continue the transportation, continue the loading and unloading in the mines. Second one is to withstand difficult conditions, means some hard rocks and hard places, it will be stand and working easily. For easy maintenance, maintenance cost of LHD also will be less, and it is helpful for the mine owners. And portability, it is very easy to portable to one place to another place, or one underground mine to another underground mine, and it is moving one level to another level in underground mines. And also it is mostly using in tunnels and chambers, in one drive to another drive, stopping areas. Most of the LHD is using in metal mines, electrical type of LHDs, and diesel type of LHDs. And also it's having so many safety switches and operating switches and operating alerts. Safety provision guidelines and covers and electrical protection devices it's having. These are the main advantages of LHD. These are the main references I am collecting from the different sources. I am presenting this PPT. LHD is mostly using in underground mines. 75% of mines using in LHDs. LHDs having basically two types. Already we are discussing those things, and nowadays modern type of LHDs having control by the remote. These are mostly using in dangerous mines, in uranium type of mines and other poisonous gases and spontaneous coal type of underground mines. These are using, and also I am representing parts and main important things in LHD, and also I am giving so many important points related to LHD, and I am collecting those important points from the different mine sources. It's having so many advantages. Thank you.